Hello guys. Today we will discuss about with the replace function in Dataiku in our continuation of series. So replace function we will use data prepare recipe in the visual recipes in Dataiku. Now I am using with the data for data set. I'm opening with the data. So in this data, the columns are date local, ID 01, ID 18, ID 31, consumption and temperature. So in this temperature, if you observe this, -2, 5, 1, 1, 5, -2, 5. So in place of dot, comma is placed here in this temperature. Now we will replace to dot. How we'll do? We'll see. So select the data in the data set, and the right side we'll select as the data prepare recipe. So once you select with the data prepare recipe, this data set already exists. So just I'm selecting as one. So another name and create recipe. So in this data prepare recipe, we will use with the add new step. So here I am clicking with the add new step and find the replace function. Replace, find and replace. So here I am selecting with the find and replace. So once you select with the find and replace, now I am selecting with the column name. So column name as temperature. Now we just type with the temperature. Temperature column is shown. Now what I can do? So replacements. So add a replacement. So I want replace with comma in place of comma to dot. So I am finding with the comma wherever comma is there and replace to dot. Okay. And match mode is substring. Normalization mode is exact. So same thing we can follow and click on run. If you see the output, it is showing wherever it is changing the color identified -2.5, 1.1, -2.5. Okay. So this is the way we can write with the replace function. If you look into the output also, we open this data set, temperature, so -2.5. Okay. Thank you for watching.